let's now talk about upload scheduling. So by upload scheduling, I don't mean just the straight up press and schedule upload or in the YouTube uploading workflow. No, but uploading scheduling, I mean the how you should schedule your uploads. I mean, when you should upload your videos and how often you should upload your videos, because there's a question where everybody is asking, which is better, to upload daily, upload twice a day, upload once a week, upload once a month, etc., etc. Let's just talk about those, and let's talk about all the pros and cons of those upload routines that we have in order to understand what's the difference. So let's just talk about 3 different upload routines that you can have for YouTube. Well, you can of course have however upload routine that you want, whatever number that you want, but still, let's just talk about these 3 and have a pretty big understanding, good understanding what's the difference between those 3. So we can have daily uploads, meaning that you are uploading your videos every single day. Uploading, it's kind of wrong day. Should you upload? No, I said the publish. Let's say the publishing. Daily publishing every single day, because you can upload like every single day but do not publish any videos. Daily publishing. Weekly publishing, meaning that you are publishing 1 video a week, or you can go and publish any custom date. You can go and choose 3 times a week, or maybe 1 times a month, or 1 time in 2 weeks, or whatever the schedule that you want. Let's just talk about them and let's just see which one is good for you, and let's talk about their pros and cons. Okay, let's go with daily uploads. I'm still calling uploads because I'm still getting used to telling uploads. Okay, let's still call it uploads, not publishing. Okay, let's start with the pros of daily uploads. It is very good for the fast channel population, meaning that your channel will get full of videos very quickly. Usually the channel with 30 videos can be considered as a full populated channel, and 30 videos you can do this in a single month. It is showing you faster channel growth because you have so many videos that your channels are actually growing faster, and you have more entry points to the channel, meaning that you have 30 videos, you potentially have 30 entry points in your channel, which is 30 times more when you have only 1 video. And those videos are feeding each other, giving in entry points each other, and just transforming the each other's growth into already channel's growth, etc., etc. It's going like it's like snowball effect and transforming your channel's growth into something really big. Sounds good, right? It's amazing. It's actually very good. I'm actually doing daily uploads on one of my channels, and the growth has been immense. But there is a cons as well. It is very hard to maintain daily uploads. Why? Remember what we learned in the previous lectures? YouTube is not a sprint. It's a marathon, potentially that can last for your entire life. So uploading video every single day for the coming 10 years maybe, or 20 years or 50 years, it is practically impossible. It's very difficult to maintain. Focus will shift often because you are doing so many things that you will want to do more and more things, because you cannot think of the things for the one topic, because eventually you're gonna run out of ideas, and then you're gonna shift to other ideas, and then other ideas, and another ideas, and the channel will start drifting from one place to another. Again, because of the third reason, not enough ideas. You will not have enough ideas for the daily content, because you will have to do videos so often and so fast that your ideas will not just have time to brew in your head. And the fourth reason is you're always on the run. Doing this every single day, you always have a deadline. You are very close to deadline every single day, because you cannot work on the video for tomorrow until you will finish the video for today, and the same for the after tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. You will need to do very fast and just be always on the run, which is not sustainable. And for that reason, people who are doing daily uploads are burning out very fast. This is a problem. Fast burnout is a problem. So again, the question, why am I doing a daily uploads? Well, because it is comfortable for me, depending on the channel theme and channel topic that I do. It is completely different for the channel to channel basis, but for someone daily uploads work. For someone else, it doesn't. So we'll talk about this a bit later in this lecture. Now let's talk about weekly uploads. So what is weekly uploads? Or you can do like any other arbitrary long amount of time. So weekly uploads. Pros, you can have higher quality content because you have more time to work on your videos, and that's why. Plus, you will have more polished video ideas and videos themselves, meaning that you're gonna have more smaller and finer details on your videos, unlike the daily uploads. You have a steady growth because you are putting only one video a day. The growth will not be fast, but it will be steady because every single video is very good and it will just go up and up and up very steadily, but slowly. And it is great for long-term growth because like in 30 weeks, which is like a little more than 6 months, a little more than half a year, 30 weeks, it might sound a lot of time, but remember again, YouTube is a marathon, and you will quickly realize that when you took this much time to upload once a week, it actually wasn't pretty beneficial for you because now you have a 30 great videos, unlike 180 average to lower than average videos, because people are gonna watch your 30 videos far more than the average 180 videos. So that is very good. The cons is that again, the growth is slow. It's much slower than the daily content upload. It is very slow. And to be fair, what people might not think, it is not fast, not way slower than the daily upload. Weirdly enough, not the way slower, but still it's slower. And slow channel population, the same thing. Until you're gonna go like first 30 weeks will pass, or maybe 20 weeks, or 40 or 50, depending on how populated you want your channel to be. It will take 40 weeks to get your channel up and running. It's quite a lot of time. It's much more than 30 days, so that's a bit problematic. And it takes far longer to lift off, meaning that when you have 180 videos, for example, for uploading for 6 months, there is higher chance that one of the videos will lift off and get viral and just go bigger and bigger. While with 30 videos, you will have far lower chance of that. So just be mindful of that. But because your videos are actually far better, they might get a higher chance because of the quality of the video. So you never know, but it actually takes longer on average for the videos to blow up. Now, let's talk about the custom schedule. That can be any schedule that you want. This is the best schedule because this is the schedule that you want. The custom schedule can be every single day, every single week, every single 3 days, every single 5 days, every single 2 weeks, every single month, whatever that you want. The custom schedule is the schedule that fits you. That's how you should start. And it is good because schedule depends on skill and time, meaning that how much time you need to get the best video that you can, like as quick as you can be shifted easily, meaning that you can increase or decrease the custom schedule. Increasing the difference between videos is not good, but you can decrease easily without any big problem. And it is a perfect balance between the time that you have and the quality. And the cons are practically none, because you dictate your own growth. If you can work daily for the videos, then you will work daily for the videos. For example, in my case, one of my gaming channels, I upload every single day because I can produce content that can be uploaded daily. I even sometimes upload twice a day because I do not sit every single day, and I do not record and upload videos every single day. I just sit down, choose one day, batch produce the content, because this is a type of content that does not require a bunch of editing. I sit down, record the content for an entire day, for 12 hours maybe, and 12 hours worth of content can get me the 20 days worth of content, and that's it for one single day. The second day I will just quickly edit those videos. Third day I will quickly upload those videos and all the thumbnails, all the metadata, and 3 days of work will get me 20 days of content, meaning that giving the 17 days for me to be absolutely free. So that's how it works for me. But that's because I know how to do my content. I know my content. I know my audience. I know how they are watching and what they are watching. That's why it works for me. For example, on my another channel, I cannot upload more often than once every 3 days, because that's the time I need to get the video idea, good video idea, to sit down, to record, and to edit this video, to polish this video, to upload this video. I cannot go more often than once every 3 days. I cannot. I can go more rare, but if I will go more rare, I know that I will have way too much time. I will start wasting my time, just wasting. So I decided to give myself once every 3 days, and I upload consistently once every 3 days. And this is what you should choose. Choose custom schedule for yourself. Choose your own schedule and stick to it. Eventually, you will pump out more videos in less time, but think long term and don't burn out yourself. This is a very important thing to know. Just put this inside your head, because maybe in 2 months after uploading the videos weekly, you will realize that you can actually create videos daily. You can create the videos daily and then switch to daily uploads. And you'll soon realize after just 1 month of video uploading that this was a mistake, because it will start burning you out very, very, very quickly. And yeah, you didn't think long term. You thought a short term, because you knew that you could do daily videos, but you didn't think that you could do daily videos like for a real long time, because you didn't think this through. And now you'll have to switch back more to more rare upload schedule that your subscribers might not like, because some people might cut your videos because you are uploading often, and now you are not uploading often. It will just throw your channel off the balance, and consistency is the key for the successful YouTube channel. Think long term. Like, try to think of this next 3 to 5 years, or how you can upload the videos, how many videos you can upload for next 3 to 5 years. Then sit down and choose your own schedule. So this will be it for this one. Let's go to the next one.